Make money online just by watching videos. Is it possible? Yes, right, it's possible. I'm gonna share with you today a cool website that you can earn money online just by watching videos. You don't need any skills, any experience, completely free to start and available worldwide. Please keep watching. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a website. Probably you haven't heard of this website before, although it's not a new brand website. You can earn money online just by watching videos so easily in this website. This is the website u-cubes.com, u-cubes.com, and as you see here the date 2007 this website started and it has over 300,000 members. So this is a legit website as you see from 2007 and it's worked up to now. So if you want to work with this website, we should click here sign up now, then it will take us over here and sign up. It's free. We should enter email, confirm email, again password and confirm password, your full name, enter your full name, username, gender and date of birth, country, and just here validation code. You should enter this code and then tick here and register. After registration, they will send you an email. You need to confirm your account and your email, then it will take you over here, and as you see your account has been activated. Please log in below and you will enter your email, password and validation code. This is the validation code. You should enter here and then log in. After that you will come here. This is the dashboard of this website. This is my account. This is a new brand account. This is my dashboard, and you can just simply click here view ads and earn money. This is another way of making money in this website. You just click on this and you will come here and you see there are different websites. You just by viewing ads you can earn money. Of course there are a little money to make more money just by watching videos. We should click here, come here, earn, and click it, and it will take us over here and here this offer and this one and this one. I'm gonna show them to you right now. For example, this one, you see here videos. I just click on videos and you see there are some videos available on Hideout TV. This is another website. You need to register in that website also, and just by watching videos, really simple. It's so simple. Just you watch videos and there are tons of videos are available in this website Hideout TV, and then just by watching videos and you can choose. There are different categories of videos, so there are not boring videos, there are very funny videos, entertainment, and you can enjoy watching videos while you're earning money just like that. Also there is another opportunity here. You see, just by doing different tasks you can earn more money, not just by watching videos. There are some opportunities out there for you if you want to make more money. Also there is another way here. Also you can again, but just by watching videos you can earn this amount of money and more. And also here again you see videos, mobile, daily surveys, survey offers are available for you. To withdraw the amount of money that we earn in this website, we should come here and click on earning. We should click on earning. We will come here and here we should request or transfer payment. We click on here, it will take us over here, and as you see, if you want to withdraw earnings, the minimum payout is £8. £8. The minimum payout is £8. If you want to transfer funds, the minimum amount of transferring is 20 pence, and that's all. And you need to have PayPal account, and then just you can make money online just by watching videos. So easy, and you can start today after watching this video in this website. This is the website I already talked about. This u-cubes.com, u-cubes.com. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. I will answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click. Also subscribe our channel, don't forget it. Subscribe our channel. Click. To watch more videos, please click. Also subscribe our channel. I'm waiting for you. Click. Subscribe. Click.